Want to share or back up your Thrillville theme park creation? PRK Files store your custom amusement park designs from the Thrillville games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to manage these Thrillville park files for your game saves and creations. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for PRK problems. See below for my top choice. PRK Files are theme park save files from the Thrillville series of amusement park simulation games developed by Frontier Developments. They contain complete park layouts with placed rides, shops, decorations, terrain modifications, guest configurations, and park management settings for sharing creations between players. PRK Files use Frontier's proprietary game format, storing serialized park data, including object placements with coordinates and rotations, terrain height map data, path, networks, and object property states. The format includes version identifiers and checksums, ensuring compatibility with the specific Thrillville game version that created the park file. The industry standard application for PRK is considered to be Thrillville from Frontier Developments plc. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows cannot interpret most game file content, so opening or using them requires the game or dedicated tools. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the PRK file and click Open With. Test Thrillville if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. If your PRK file still refuses to open, stay calm. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, loading in Thrillville. Launch. Thrillville or Thrillville off the rails on PC or compatible game console. Place PRK files in the appropriate save directory, typically in the user's documents. Thrillville folder. Load the park through the in-game park selection menu, accessing your custom or downloaded park designs. Next, sharing park files. Distribute PRK files to other Thrillville players through file sharing services or community sites dedicated to the game. Recipients place the file in their Thrillville saves folder, enabling them to load and play your custom park. Maintain version compatibility between sender and recipient game installations. Finally, backing up creations. Copy PRK files to external storage or cloud backup to preserve elaborate park creations against loss. Custom Thrillville parks represent significant creative investment, so regular backups protect against save corruption, hardware failure, or accidental deletion during gameplay sessions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.